Hello student, today we are going to see how to download your Tableau software. To download it, you have to search Tableau software. After selecting, you will see download Tableau Desktop, but we'll use the public version. Okay, so I will search Tableau for Students. Here, you can get it for free. I will click here. First, it will ask you some detail. I will fill it. Email ID is optional, so I will just edit my email ID, select download. Now it will ask you where you want to save it. I will save it under downloads folder, and as you can see here, download started. Now the next part, in this website you can explore the different data sources as well. If you want, you can download the sample data sources and how to video as well. For example, if you are totally new to the Tableau software, you can see this video to perform different operation. You can build a dashboard as well by seeing this video. Now we'll wait for some time to downloads get completed. Okay, so after completion, just click on the software. So welcome to the Tableau. Select this one. If you don't want to send the product users data, you can select it and click on install. Yes. So your installation started. So after completion, you can watch how to videos, or you can directly download your JSON file, text file, or other data sources to load it here. Thank you so much class for watching my video. Thank you.